In today's video, I'm going to show you how to wrap in text around a picture by using layout options. First, make sure your picture selected. Click the layout option box. When you click the layout option box, you see different text wrapping. The first one is square and tight through. So all these layout options. We're gonna use the first option today, the square one. Click it. The text went to your right of your image. Depending the height of your picture, you might see like some of the text under the picture. So what you should do now is just drag your picture down. Now you can see all the text went to the right of the picture, and you have something like this. Make sure you save your document and you're good to go. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see my latest video on Microsoft Office. Don't forget to invite your friend to subscribe to my channel.